We're going to take a Comanche and we're going to cut it up and we're going to make a $500 camp trailer for $500. Yeah. Wait, not that one. This one. So I had a client call me and said that he couldn't really let this thing go to scrap, and the idea is that we're going to take it and we're going to cut it down here and we're going to cap the end of it. We're going to make an A-frame and we're going to turn this thing into a camp trailer. We're going to be looking for a canopy to go on top of it, hopefully with barn doors for the back so that we don't have to have the tailgate. We're gonna try to mash this bumper a little bit flat, make it straight, and then we'll put some lights in it for either a 3-way or a 7-way. And then we are going to take these cab corners right here that are good on both sides, and we're gonna cut those off, and we're gonna save those for another Comanche project. We're going to take the doors, we're going to take the fenders and the hood and everything else that we can find in here that's Comanche related, that's good, and we're going to save it. The client challenged me to make a video for you guys, and he also challenged me to do a series of $500 or less. So here we go. We're going to cut this bad boy up, we're going to save some parts, and we're going to make a camp rig out of it. So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you what we're going to do. So this thing's an 87. There's no title to it. There's not really a big backstory to it. It's been getting parts robbed off of it for the last 3 years. So rather than let it go and get crushed, the current owner didn't know anything else to do with it but to offer it up to a client of mine for really cheap. They made a deal on it, and here it is. We looked at the dash. We're probably going to keep the dash. It's in good shape. The gauges, wiring harness, maybe this carpet because it's Comanche only carpet. There's some door panels, the cowls in there, and there's a bucket of junk over there. The headliner backer's got a hole in it, so that's going to have to go. I gotta deal with that. But there's a dent up on the roof. So the cab's really not worth much. There's a little dent right here. Hood's in decent shape. It's got some trim on it, and the door's got a little wow on the bottom of it, but it's pretty straight. It's not rusted out. The bed doesn't have anything really on it, just one spot. Let's see, I think it's right over, right there. So later on, after we get the A-frame done and all that, I mean, you might think about painting it. We got another Comanche the client does that we might think about doing up nice like the red one. So we might do up this bed trailer project to match it. But for now, we're just going to get it on the road and see how cheap we can do it and save some parts. So the bed's decent, and tailgate's nice and straight. So she should be a nice little project. The turtle's still there. Anyway, it was an 87. Oh, hey, it was a manual transmission. 4-liter manual. Not much left in here. Radiator shop. It's got a beam axle in the front and a Dana 35 in the back. It was 2-wheel drive. So anyway, she'll live on. We'll see how she goes. Whew. Anyway, here I am back in the shop where it's warm. It's freaking cold outside today. Anyway, I'm going to try to keep this YouTube thing going. There's been a lot of my clients and a lot of my community members that have been liking what I've been doing so far. I really appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate you guys being here. So anyway, if you could hit that subscribe button down below, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Either way, I'm cool with. Anyway, that'd really help keep the ball rolling. But anyway, I'm gonna get going on this project, and hopefully by early spring or the end of the month, or I don't know, just depends on how things go around here. But we're gonna do this thing in segments, so stay tuned, and we'll get part 2 going. Thanks for being here. Take care, guys.